Hi, I'm Georgia. I'm 16 years old and I'm thrilled to have won the 16 to 18 category of the ThisIsArt competition. In my primary school there was a fox called the Stratford Fox who was our mascot. For transition year we had work experiences. It was about community and I thought maybe I could paint a mural of the Stratford Fox in my school.
My name is Sarah and I'm the principal of Stratford National School where Georgia spent many happy years. We were so flattered that Georgia chose to paint such a beautiful mural on our walls. So the Stratford Fox is quite an elusive character.
Well, our school is in the city, but we have a very big yard. We'd look for footprints. We never really ban them because there's a lot of grass.
We can find evidence of his presence all over the school.
Every morning there'd be fox poo lying around in the basketball courts.
Most mornings we're picking up after the Stratford Fox.
Sometimes we'd see him, but not that often. I'd never done a mural before. It was definitely new to me. I found some reference photos of foxes. I had the idea to do maybe a mother fox with a little baby. If you have what you think is a good idea, I think you should just go for it. Even if you have to convince people to get behind it, you should just take leaps.
Children have chatted to it on their way out the door, on their way in this morning. Good morning, Foxy. It's been fantastic for the school.
I was very happy with it. I think it just makes everything a bit brighter and happier.
It's a great little animal to say hello to in the morning and we're just really grateful for all that Georgia did.
Special delivery.
Oh, cool.
Look at that, that's brilliant. It is wonderful to think of the joy that Georgia's artwork will bring for the students of Stratford National School. Tag, Crowley, the Glucksman Museum. I love that this had a specific place on a wall near the school and made a legend of the fox appear again in the tradition of any artist like Banksy. Colin Martin.
I'm definitely still in shock that I've won. Sometimes I'm just sitting down and I'm thinking, wow, I mean, that's crazy that I actually did that.